In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to use Clash of Clans coupon. Let's get started. First, if you have a reward link from an official source like a Supercell event, creator promotion or in-game event, simply tap on the link. It will open the game automatically and apply the reward to your account. Another way is through the Supercell store. Open your browser and go to the official Supercell store, sign in with your Supercell ID, and if you have any available rewards or offers, you'll be able to claim or apply them there. Sometimes rewards are also given through in-game events. Open Clash of Clans, check the events or new tab, and claim any free rewards directly from there. Also, if you're supporting a creator, you can go into settings inside the game and look for the creator boost option where you can enter a creator code to support them when making purchases. Just remember, avoid fake website or generators claiming to give free coupons. Always use official sources to keep your account safe, and that's it. That's how you can use coupons or redeem rewards in Clash of Clans. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.